Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and with me, Fraser Gordon of Wowo's Detailing, and today we're talking about Wowo's interior finisher. Fraser, tell us about it.
So interior finisher is for after you've cleaned everything. Everything's clean, you want to dress it, you want to protect it. It's perfect. You just spray it on directly onto the surface you're going onto, or put it onto a cloth and apply. Dead simple, and it makes it anti-static, so it's going to help stop that build-up of dust that you get in the top of your dash. But it's going to leave your plastics with a really nice satin sheen and soft to the touch.
And it also has a UV protector in it too.
Yes, it does.
This is one of my favorite products in the lineup, mostly because of the fact the anti-static properties, the UV protection, and the ability to have a nice matte finish, but also this stuff smells great.
It does smell pretty good.
You can pick up Wowo's interior finisher at theragcompany.com, and for more information on the Wowo's line, you can check out more of our videos on the Rag Company YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.